Hey, good morning, Math 7 students. All right, today's con is called Scale Drawings. Hey, this is only a two-word one title, so this should be an easy one, right? Well, actually, it isn't that bad, so it is pretty easy. So here's what we got for scale drawings. Hang on there one second. Okay, I'm back. Got interrupted for a moment there. All right, so scale map. So this one, you will notice that we have a scale map that shows that for every 2.5 centimeters on the map, it represents in real life 15 kilometers. So if on a map, on an actual map, we had some that was 17.5 centimeters long, how many actual kilometers would that be? Well, the best way I think to set this up is you'll notice it really sets up nicely as a proportion. So we'll put our centimeters on the top, we'll put our kilometers on the bottom. We know that 2.5 centimeters represents 15 kilometers. So then the question becomes, how much would 17.5 represent? And you can take 17.5 divided by 2.5. You would know that our scale factor is 7, so it's 7 times this number here is 7 times bigger than this number here, which means we need to know what number here is 7 times bigger than this number here. So 15 times 7 is 105. So that would be our answer for that one. Let's do one more here. Okay. We have a drawing of a glass of something. Okay, milk, water, who knows what it might be. And then they tell us the length of this is 8. So you'll notice from right here, the length of this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 7 or 8 units right here. And we know that every 2 units right here, if you take a look at this right here, every 2 units is 2.5. So kind of a nice, so I just drew this little thing. This little thing, this little red thing I drew here, which is exactly equal to that, is 2.5 centimeters. So if I put that over here, I put that there, and then I duplicate this a few times. That's 1, 2, 3. It takes 4 of those to get to the top. So I simply take the 2.5 times 4, and that would equal that drinking glass is 10 centimeters tall. So that's what you're doing, guys. I'm on Google Hangouts to help you get through this. We will see you later. Bye-bye.